Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make 3D shapes in Microsoft Word. So let's go quickly to the process. So first is we need to open Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the window search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Then once this is opened, you just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top. And here you can find the Insert tab. Click on Shapes, click on this drop down and simply choose a shape. So let us choose this one, the rectangle one. And then you just need to drag the cursor to draw the shape. You can also change the color from here. Okay, shape outline, the weight of the outline. Okay, now make sure that you have selected the picture so that you will come up with the shape format tab, because if you are not going to select the picture, the shape format tab will not appear at the top. So click on the picture to select it. Then here you'll find shape effects. Click on this drop down and here you can find 3D rotation. Now simply choose from here. Okay, so let me quickly choose this. Now once done, in order to complete the 3D shape, just click on shape effects again and you'll find preset and then choose your style from here. Now let's choose this one. And that's it. That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.